The conflict between the Lumians, Ceres, and the digressing Elanians came to a halt when the Elanians exploded the power generator crystals deep underground within Terra's planetary grid. The Elanians were controlled by an elite group called the Templar Solar Initiates. Before the explosion, some of the Elanians became aware of the Templars' misuse of power in a way that would result in the implosion of Terra's planetary grid. These Elanians went to the Lumians and Ceres of Mu asking for assistance. The Ceres interbred with these Elanians, realigning their digressing genetic code, and these Elanians further interbred with the Lumians. The original Tyrannusium 12 stand DNA gene code was rebuilt and purified through this Ceres-Lumian-Elanian blend. This revitalized Tyrannusium race became known as the Urterinates. The Urterinates created the temple and priesthood of Ur. Approximately 550 million years ago, the power generator crystals deep underground in Elania exploded due to the Templar Solar Initiates' misuse of power from Terra's planetary core. This created a chain reaction of implosions within Terra's planetary grid, and portions of Terra's grid were blown apart and fragmented, becoming detached from the morphogenetic field of the planet. The morphogenetic field of any being, planet, or living thing is akin to the skeletal structure, nervous system, and bones to a human being. One can't do without the other. It is the living conscious energetic framework upon which living consciousness exists upon and as when in form or in density. After this explosion, the portions of Terra that were fragmented dropped in vibration, drastically becoming vaporized by a local sun in Terra's universe, and the morphogenetic field in those fragments were pulled through a black hole at the center of that sun and re-emerged in a galaxy within the lower dimensional fields of Harmonic Universe 1. Entering this system as a gaseous form, this morphogenetic field broke into 12 pieces, which created a mini-solar system. One of the 12 pieces fused with the sun in that galaxy that it fell into, and the other 11 pieces began to build up matter density and remanifest their forms through their portion of the morphogenetic field. These planets did not birth into existence in the usual accretion fashion, for they carried with them the organizational imprint of part of Terra's planetary grid morphogenetic field. These planets did not birth into Huon, they fell into it literally. Their morphogenetic field fell in vibration, reorganized through the morphogenetic field of a star, and remanifested within a slower vibrating dimensional scale. The 12 new planets entering Hu 1,550 million years ago are the planets and sun of our local solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Maldek, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, and Nibiru. The fragments of Terra became part of the unified field morphogenetic structure of Harmonic Universe 1. In my next video, I will discuss how the first human being was created.